make some fluffy American style pancakes, you will need the following ingredients. 125 grams of flour. You can use plain or self-raising. I prefer self-raising because it makes the pancakes a little bit fluffier. You need 100 millilitres of milk, 1 medium egg and some oil to go in the pan. So the equipment you need is a frying pan, a bowl, a ladle, a whisk and a slotted spatula, and of course a cooker. Step 1, place the flour in the mixing bowl. Next, crack the egg and add it to the milk. Using the whisk, mix the egg and milk together. Next, make a little well in the middle of your flour and gently start pouring your egg mixture in and mixing slowly, a little bit at a time. As it starts to thicken, it's important that you add a little bit more mixture to avoid your mixture becoming lumpy. Once all the flour is mixed into the egg, give it a really good hard whisk. The mixture should be quite runny. Mine is still a little bit thick, so if that's the problem for you, all you need to do is add another little splash of milk. Just add a small amount and then mix again, because you can always add a little bit more, but you can't take it out once you put it in. So add a small amount at a time until you get the mixture to the right thickness. This is still a little bit thick, so I'm going to add another little splash of milk. Tiny splash at a time. Make sure it's really well mixed in. Okay, I think our mixture is ready to go. So moving over to the cooker, if you put your pan on the hob and warm it up around about half marks 6, not too high, and we put some spray oil in. If you haven't got a spray oil, you can use a little teaspoon of normal oil. Then we're going to take our ladle and we're going to fill in a nice scoop of mixture. I'm going to rub it on the side of the bowl so it doesn't drip. Take it straight into the middle of the pan and pour it in the middle, and the pancake will make its own shape itself. We're going to leave it cook on this side now until you see bubbles start to appear all across the surface of the pancake. As you can see, the surface of the pancake has lots of bubbles that are popped, and the colour of the pancake has changed slightly and it's gone a little bit darker yellow, so I know that it's ready to turn over. As you can see, it's nice and firm, so we'll give it a flip. Toasty golden brown. Just give it a few moments now on the other side so the other side can catch up with the same colour. After a few moments, your pancake should be ready to serve. Take the pan off the heat, turn the heat off. Okay, and my favourite way of serving these pancakes is to have some strawberries and a very little drizzle of honey. But you can add whatever you like.